हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु च्यानलमा स्वागत छ। वेलकम टु हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु। आउनुहोस् आज छोटा तर धेरै उपयोगी इंग्लिशका सेन्टेन्सेसहरुको अभ्यास गरौँ। ल सुरु गरौँ न त है। होल्ड इट, यसलाई समाऊ। यो समाऊ पनि हुन्छ है। होल्ड इट। क्लीन इट, यो सफा गर। Clean it. Right now. अहिले तुरुन्त. Right now. के भयो सोध्नलाई what happened? What happened? Taste it. यो चाख. Taste it. Give me. मलाई देऊ. Give me. Show me. मलाई देखाऊ. Show me. Listen to me. मेरो कुरा सुन. Listen to me. I know. मलाई थाहा छ. I know. No problem. केही छैन अथवा कुनै समस्या छैन. No problem. Eat slowly. बिस्तारै खाऊ. Eat slowly. Brush your teeth. आफ्नो दाँत माझ. Brush your teeth. Don't touch it. यो नछौ. Don't touch it. आफ्नो दादालाई बोलाऊ अथवा आफ्नो भाइलाई बोलाऊ भन्नलाई call your brother. Brother भनेको दाइ पनि हुन सक्छ, भाइ पनि हुन सक्छ. Call your brother. Come up. माथि आऊ. Come up. झूठ नबोल भन्नलाई don't lie. Don't lie. Write neatly. सफा लेख. Write neatly. Let's go. हिँड जाऊ. Let's go. Not now. अहिले होइन. Let's go. Nothing else. अरु केही छैन अथवा अरु केही होइन पनि हुन्छ. Nothing else. ठीक छ भनेको That's right. That's right. Do it fast. यसलाई छिटो गर्नुहोस्. Do it fast. Calm down. शान्त बना. Calm down. के को लागि सोध्नलाई For what? For what? तर किन सोध्नलाई चाहिँ But why? But why? Go outside. बाहिर जाऊ. Go outside. Nothing special. केही खास छैन. Nothing special. Then when? त्यसो भए कहिले? Then when? Stay inside. भित्रै बस. Stay inside. Show me. मलाई देखाऊ. Show me. Stop there. त्यहीं रोक्यू. Stop there. Say something. केही भन. Say something. Don't delay. ढिला नगर. Delay है delay. Don't delay. Just think. एकचोटि सोच. Just think. Come soon. चाँडै आऊ. Come soon. Maybe. शायद. Maybe. You tried. तिमीले कोशिश गर्यौ. You tried. कोशिश गरिराख भन्नलाई keep trying. Keep trying. Next time. अर्कोचोटि. Next time. वास्तवमा भन्नु पर्यो भने in fact. In fact. अनि के तपाईहरुले यो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भयो त? Have you already subscribed to this channel, हाम्रो English Guru? यदि तपाईहरुले यो हाम्रो English Guru YouTube च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने अहिले सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नु होला. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, हाम्रो English Guru, if you haven't done it already. Videos like these to help your English will come daily. गर्नु भयो त? अगाडि बढाऊ. अब एकचोटि भन्नलाई once more. Once more. यसलाई जारी राख भन्नु पर्यो भने keep it up. Keep it up. अलिकति पर्ख भन्नु पर्यो भने wait a bit. Wait a bit. Tell me more. अरु भन अथवा अझै भन. Tell me more. Go at once. तुरुन्त जाऊ. Go at once. Write it. यो लेख. Write it. कसैको आँखामा आँसु छ. आँसु पुछ भन्नलाई wipe your tears. आफ्नो आँसु पुछ. Wipe your tears. We had our meal in a hurry. हामीले खाना हतारमा खायौं. We had our meal in a hurry. Wake them up. उनीहरूलाई उठाऊ. Wake them up. पछाडि फर्केर हेर भन्नलाई turn around and look. Turn around and look. अब thanks मात्र भन्नु सट्टा thanks a million भनेको राम्रो र यसको अर्थ लाखौं लाख धन्यवाद. Thanks a million. त्यो घर लग भन्नलाई take that home. Take that home. Stop that immediately. त्यो तुरुन्त बन्द गर. Stop that immediately. Immediately है I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y. Immediately. Immediately. यसको अर्थ तुरुन्त. Stop that immediately. लाइनमा उभिऊ भन्नलाई stand in line. Stand in line. Someone dropped this. यो कसैले खसायो. Someone dropped this. Show me again. मलाई फेरि देखाऊ. Show me again. Safety comes first. सबैभन्दा पहिला सुरक्षाको कुरा आउँछ. Safety comes first. Remember your promise. आफ्नो कसम याद राख. Remember your promise. Pull yourself together. आफूलाई सम्हाल. Pull yourself together. Prove me wrong. मलाई गलत प्रमाणित गर. Prove me wrong. Have you already liked this video? के तपाईहरुले भिडियोलाई लाइक गरिसक्नु भयो त? लाइक गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने अहिले लाइक गर्न नभुल्नु होला. Be sure to like the video right away before we move forward. र शेयर पनि गर्न नभुल्नु होला. Don't forget to share it as well. गर्नु भयो त? अगाडि बढौं न त है. केही पनि सधैं रहन्न. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing has changed. केही बदलिएको छैन. Nothing has changed. Nothing happens overnight. रातारात केही पनि हुँदैन. Nothing happens overnight. Nobody believes me. मलाई कसैले विश्वास गर्दैन. Nobody believes me. निर्णय गर्नुहोस् भन्नलाई make a decision. Make a decision. यता हेर भन्नलाई look here. Look here. Go to sleep. सुत्न जाऊ. Go to sleep. अब गल्ती सबैबाट हुन्छ. यस्तो भन्नु पर्यो भने everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Do you find it funny? के यो तिमीलाई हाँस उठ्दो लाग्यो? Do you find it funny? मेरो विश्वास गर भन्नलाई believe in me. Believe in me. Count on me भनेको मलाई विश्वास गर. Count on me. जे पनि हुन सक्छ भनेको anything can happen. Anything can happen. अब यही कुरा past tense मा जे पनि हुन सक्थ्यो. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. र यही नै थियो हाम्रो अन्तिम वाक्य. That was our last sentence. आशा छ तपाईहरुलाई भिडियो मन पर्यो होला. We'll meet again in another video. राम्ररी बस्नु होला. Take care. Have a good day.